Yeah, theorem 6.4 we were discussing. As in this theorem, given M is parallel to N and L is the transversal. Next, to be proved, angle 4 plus angle 5 equals to 180 degrees. Any constructions you require, that we will write here. Let's go for proof. Yeah, tell me. You said
Angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degrees.
Yeah, angle 1 plus angle 4 is 180 degrees. Angle 5
Plus angle 8 is equal to 180 degrees.
180 degrees. 2. Then
Angle 1
equate
is
means
equal
we'll get
to
angle 1 plus angle 4 equals to angle 5 plus angle. But we have, yeah, tell me.
Angle 1 is equal to angle 5, sir.
Angle 1 is equals to angle 5. Angle 1 equals to angle 5. It is because axiom
6.3.
axiom 6.3 corresponding angles. Axiom.
Yes.
Yeah. Third.
Same for angle 4 is equal to angle 8.
Angle 4 equals to angle 8. Same theorem.
Yes, sir.
Then
Angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to angle 5 plus angle 8.
Angle 1 plus angle 4 angle 5 plus angle 8 equals to 360 degrees.
360.
Now we will substitute instead of 1 angle 5 and instead of 8 angle 4. So angle 4 plus angle 5 comes as it is, equals to 360 degrees. Okay. Instead
Yes,
of
sir.
angle 1, I substitute angle 5 using third. Instead of angle 8, I substitute angle 4 using 4. This sum has come from 1 and 2 sum. Okay. We have added 1 plus 2. It has resulted this. We have used angle 3, equation 3 and equation 4 to get this. Now, proceeding further, angle 5 plus angle 5, 2 times of angle 5, 2 times of angle 4 is equals to 360 degrees, and thus angle 5 plus angle 4, when 2, if it comes this side, it does division, is 180 degrees. This is what is to be proved. We proved it. Have you understood? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the method of doing it. Theorem 6.4. Why theorem 6.3 is very tough? Can anyone tell me? Very tough, I didn't say, sorry. It's a long procedure, I said. Okay. If these angles are equal, if angle 5 equals to angle 6, we need to prove that M is parallel to N. Why it is tough?
Sir, according to axiom 6.3, sir, if a pair of alternate interior angles
It is easy or tough?
are what, sir?
It is easy or tough?
Sir, easy, sir.
Easy. Yeah. How will you make it easy? Tell me. Let's go for.
Sir, line M, if line M will fall on N, sir, it will be.
Sir, what we should prove, sir, here?
Good question. Let me take a figure like this: A, B, C, D, P, S, Q, R. Okay, the same figure I am taking. Okay, Q, R, P, S. What to be proved? If a transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of alternate interior angles equal, that means this pair of alternate interior angles are equal. Which pair of alternate interior angles here? Tell me which pair of alternate interior angles here?
Sir, angle Q and angle R.
Yes, angle BQR. Angle BQR
sir.
equals to angle
CR.
CQ. This is given.
sir.
Yes. What is to be proved?
Both the lines are parallel.
Yes, line AB parallel to line CD. Now, constructions, if you required, you do that construction. Now tell me proof. Here it is long procedure, I said. It's not a long procedure as such, but it is simple. We need to use these two angles which are equal to each other vertically.
Sir, angle BQR is equal to angle AQP, sir.
Yes, angle
Since
PQA. PQA equals to angle BQR.
R's.
Reason? Vertically opposite angles by axiom or theorem.
6.
Is it by axiom or theorem?
Axiom, sir, 6.3.
Sir, vertically opposite angle, sir.
Correct. Is it by axiom or theorem?
Theorem, sir.
Axiom, sir.
It is
Sir, theorem.
theorem.
Theorem 6.1.
It is theorem 6.1. Theorem 6.1. What is axiom 6.1?
Sir, linear pair axiom.
Linear pair axiom. From that we proved axiom 6.1 and 6.2.
If
Linear
a ray
pair
stands
axiom.
on line,
And from
then
them we proved theorem 6.1. Vertical opposite angles are equal. It's a theorem. Okay. It's a theorem 6.1. Now,
angle AQP equal to angle CRQ.
Yes. Angle PQA is equals to angle CRQ. What is this? Which one it is?
It's axiom 6.1.
It is axiom. Axiom
6.1. 6.3, sir.
Yes, axiom 6.3. It is corresponding angles. It is corresponding angles axiom. See, we always get confused. Is it a theorem or a axiom? Is it a 6.1 or 6. Right?
Yes,
So
sir.
what
Yes,
is
sir. Very
better
much
way of
confusion, sir.
remembering? Tell me. వస్తానన్నా మీరు 1 minute. So here we have better way of remembering. What is
Sir,
better way of
recording is
remembering?
paused, sir.
Better way of remembering is the statement. Rather telling this theorem 6.1 or going wrong instead of axiom 6.1 or axiom 6.3 instead of axiom 6. That numbers and you forget. Best is to remember the statement, right? Make a note or it's something like it should be always handy. Small book containing all the statements, formulae, something like that. So have statements by hearted, remembered, thoroughly remembered and utilized. Rather numbers. Now you will use 1 and 2, right? Equals are two things are equal to the same thing or equal to each other. Now angle BQR equals to angle CRQ. What is to be proved has come. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's it. Simple it is. Now theorem 6.3, theorem 6.4 we have proved. Theorem 6.5. What is theorem 6.5? If a transversal tell me, if a transversal
Intersects two lines such that a pair of interior angles on the same side of transversal is supplementary, then the two lines are parallel.
it is a converse of
Axiom 6.4, sir.
theorem 6.4. Previous theorem, na? For this theorem, it
Yes,
is
sir.
yeah, theorem 6.4 converse it is. It is also true and it is a theorem 6.5. It can be proved. Now tell me, how will you prove? I'll say this is a lengthy procedure. How will you prove? Is it a lengthy procedure? So I am giving this
Sir, can I
as
check, sir?
homework. Understood? This you can make it as a homework. Is it clear, children? Theorem
Yes, sir.
6.5. It's a converse. I may say this is
Okay.
a lengthy procedure, but how to prove? Like theorem 6.3, how I said, I'll say that way. How to prove? That you have to think now. Easy, tough, lengthy, short, that and all. Now, our brain, how much we think. Here, transversal axioms, all in one go. If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then we will
Each
have
pair of
each pair of
corresponding
corresponding
angles is
angles will
equal.
be equal. Each pair of alternate interior angles will be equal. Each pair of interior angles on the same side of a transversal will be supplementary. If a transversal intersects two lines in such a way that their converses corresponding angles are equal, then these two lines are parallel to each other. Alternate interior angles are equal, then the two lines will be parallel. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary, then the two lines will be parallel. Remember, this is an axiom. Rest all 5 are theorems. Correct, na? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Sir, which is first axiom, sir? 6.3, sir.
This is axiom 6.3. Once again, I am saying this is
And
an axiom. Rest all
second one,
are
sir?
theorems. Correct or wrong?
Correct, sir.
Correct or wrong?
Sir, axiom 6.1 and 6.2 are also there.
No, 6.1 is not there. Linear pair is not there, na? Linear pair is not there, na? This is converse of axiom 6.3, which is axiom 6.4. Okay?
Sir, this corresponding angles axiom, sir.
Yes. Axiom 6.3 is corresponding angles axiom.
Sir, then 6.4 is converse of it.
6.4 is converse.
Sir, means both are same only, sir.
No. No. Transversal drawn for two parallel lines, corresponding angles equal. Corresponding angles equal, lines
Then
parallel.
transversal.
Lines parallel. Understood?
Yes, sir.
If transversal drawn for parallel lines, then corresponding angles equal. Understood? This is if then. Here, if corresponding angles equal, then the lines parallel. So these only axioms. This is axiom 6.3, this is axiom 6.4. This is theorem. Which is the theorem it is? Theorem 6.2.
2.
2, sir.
Yes. Then, which is theorem 6.3? Tell me.
Sir, converse of it.
Yes. Angles equal,
This
alternate
is
interior
axiom
angles equal,
6.4, sir.
lines parallel. This is theorem 6.3, not for 6.3. This is 6.3 theorem. Now, each pair of interior angles supplementary. This is theorem
6.4, sir.
6.
Yes. And its converse, interior
This
angles
time interior angles on the same side transfer to
supplementary,
supplementary.
lines parallel.
6.5, sir. Theorem 6.5, sir.
Theorem 6.5. Have you understood?
Yes,
नंबर्स
sir.
को
Yes,
याद
sir.
रखना है तो मुश्किल है, वो एक्सियम या थ्योरम करके रिमेंबर करना है तो भी थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा. उससे बेहतर ऐसा सेंटेंसेस याद रखना. ओके, एंड दिस आई गिव एज अ होमवर्क टू प्रूव. ओके, so this is the work I wanted to finish today. With this I wanted to say Jai Hind. What will be tomorrow?
Jai Hind, sir.
Tomorrow will be lines parallel to the same line or parallel to each other. Okay, that will come theorem 6 point and examples exercise 6.2 will come. Okay,
Bye, sir.
bye children. And
Thank you, sir.
Have a nice day, sir.
theorem 6.5 को करके आ जाना. See children, I will see tomorrow. I may drive back to my, I may drive to my hometown. If I am driving to my hometown in the morning, I will be not taking class tomorrow. So we will resume
Yes,
our class.
sir. You just post on message in group, sir.
Yes, that's better. In the morning, I'll post. Okay.
Yes.
I have little preparations to be done. I have got some things
Yes,
to
sir.
work here, complete and all. If that work gets over, I'll drive tomorrow. Otherwise, day after tomorrow, I'll be going. So that's my plan. Okay, take care of you. Bye.
Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, children. Bye.
Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Hind.